Welcome to Mechanical Tutorials. I'm going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. Hi, today I'm going to explain about simple bracket. So this is the bracket. So I'm going to show you how to use this in sheet metal module. I have created a 2D drawing. So I'm going to share you this 2D drawing in the description, and you can copy and download. And this is the flat pattern dimensions. So let's start the model. So we have to take 10 mm by 50 mm rectangle. Go to sheet metal module, select this sketch and select the base flange. So I have taken 2 mm and 0.4 as K factor. Select the base flange, select this edge and select this edge. And make it 60 degree, and this is 50. And here we have to choose bend outside. Say OK. Now we have to create one more edge flange. Select this edge and move downward and select this edge. Now make this angle 60 degrees and this is 40. See here, this bend is intersecting, so there will be a tearing operation. So to avoid that, we have to select this bend outside, so it forms exactly at this corner. So we have to be very much careful while creating any flanges less than the 90 degrees. Now select this face, go to sheet metal and unfold. Collect all bends, say OK. Now I am going to show you how to create these cutouts, holes and cutouts. So select this face, keep it normal, go to sketch and select this slot. And select this point, move to origin. Or select these two and make it coincide. So this is 50. This is 20. Go to sheet metal and cut extrude. Here we have to link to thickness. Now let's go to the simple hole feature. Select this face. Say OK. Here we have to edit the sketch. Draw one center line. These lines are for mirroring the circles. Hole size is 12 mm. Say OK. Go to sheet metal and go for fold and collect all bends. Keep it in isometric. Now we have to create gussets. So these gussets, so select sheet metal gusset, select this face and this face. It automatically select the distance. So here I am taking as 25. Offset distance, offset depth as 5 mm, offset width as 5 and thickness as 2 mm, and save. So this distance I can give any value. Here I have given 20 mm, so I can change the distance as per design requirement. So I am going to create one more gusset in this face. So now I am going to give 50. Sorry, 75, and maintaining the same values. Now I can simply mirror the two gussets. So we have to go to mirror option and select mirroring plane, that is front plane, and mirroring features these two gussets. Say OK. So these improves the strength of the angular flanges. That is the advantage. Now I am going to create one more gusset. So it is taking exactly at the center and maintaining the same values. Say OK. So mirror this. So for any kind of fillets, we have to go to break corners. So this is the simple bracket. So in flat pattern we have to suppress the gussets, otherwise it's very difficult to create. Now I am going to show you how to create the drawing. So this is the drawing I have created. Since it is a simple drawing, I am going to explain. I am not going to show you all the dimensions. So you can download this PDF from the description below. So this is the overall dimensions, and slot dimension we have to show like this: slot 70 by 20, and we have to show the dimensions from center to center distance for holes and from the edge, and for radius we have to show as a typical R10. So this radius is common for all the fillets, and here also we have to show center to center distance, and this is the gusset dimensions. We have to mention the angle and these two lengths, and this is the overall dimension. So this is how we have to show the dimension in formed state. Now for cutting and shearing operation or blanking, or for laser cutting, we have to show these ordinate dimensions. So ordinate dimensions are given vertically and horizontally, and here also we have to give slot dimension and radius and fillets. So we have to show in two sheets. This is the common practice. So this is brief about bracket. I have not shown the dimensions because it consumes a lot of time in the video, so I am providing only PDF. So this is brief about simple bracket. Thank you.